Okay guys, this is Alexis at Crazy for Sales, hanging out, and I came across this cool Darth Vader toy. Well, actually it's a piggy bank. I've had it for quite a while, and it's actually quite cool. I'm just gonna press the button.
Most impressive. You are not a Jedi yet.
Oh, so cool. Anyways, I don't know how many voices or sayings that it has. Let's see. No other buttons. But anyways, I'm going to stick this quarter in there. I'm not sure if it's supposed to say anything when you put the quarter in, but there's a button that you press, and it seems to be working quite nicely. Alright, so
Most impressive. You are not a Jedi yet.
so cool. Anyways, enough with that video. I just wanted to show you. This thing is going to be up for auction. Today is January, February, March, April, May the, let me see, today is, I can never remember what the date is. Anyways, today is Thursday, May the 11th, 2017. So I will have this listing up by the end of the day. So anyone interested in Star Wars vintage collectible item, you will be able to purchase this item. Alrighty.